everyone, my name is Jacob.
And I'm Emily.
And today we're going to be introducing you to the Writing Center at Longwood University.
So first off, we're going to cover what the Writing Center is, who we are and how we can help you, what our locations are, then we'll go over how to schedule an appointment, what a typical session looks like, and some concluding thoughts.
First, what is the Writing Center? The Writing Center provides one-on-one help for all types of writing. It could be academic assignments like essays, research papers, reports, presentations, or speeches. We also provide help with professional documents. This could include resumes, cover letters, or personal statements. And finally, we can help with other written works, including proposals, grants, and scholarships. The Writing Center also supports and facilitates writing groups, whether that's with faculty, creative writing students, graduate students, or others. And we support writers at all stages of the writing process. We also offer a wide range of workshops for teachers, faculty, and student organizations. The Writing Center at Longwood is located in Brock Hall, room 101, and you can find us on social media on Instagram at WC Longwood, Facebook at the Writing Center at Longwood University, and Twitter at WC Longwood.
So we're going to go over how to schedule an appointment. First of all, you'll go to longwood.mywconline.com and click the button that says Schedule an Appointment at the top. You'll register for an account if you don't already have one, and use the drop-down menu on the schedule to choose a location and whether you want the appointment to be online. Any white space is an open time, a blue space is taken, gray means it's too late, and orange is your appointment. We offer 25-minute and 50-minute appointments for whatever you need. So this is a visual of what our system looks like. You'll go to longwood.mywconline.com and click that Register for an Account button at the top if you don't already have one. When prompted, you'll scroll to view the calendar display, which will let you select an appointment by time. You'll select a time slot using the color system that we just described. And then you can create an appointment by looking at the time and the consultant bio, which will tell you what your consultant specializes in if you have a specific assignment. Here are some helpful hints. Appointments are highly encouraged, so make sure to book an appointment in advance. We do take walk-ins, but you want to guarantee your spot. Even if you only have a small question that you think you can be answered quickly, still make an appointment. There is a 3-appointment-a-week limit, and if you miss 3 appointments, you'll be locked out of the system and will need to contact a director to have your account reinstated. So if you can't make it, please make sure to cancel the appointment in advance. You'll get a confirmation email that looks like the one listed below. And please remember that 30-minute appointments will be 25 minutes long and our appointments will be 50 minutes. And soon before the appointment, you'll get a reminder email that says below, and same reminder for that.
So what would a typical session look like in the Writing Center? Well, it's important to know that it's your consultation, so you'll decide what we work on. But again, we work with writers at any stage in the writing process. So if you're brainstorming, if you're drafting, if you're revising, or polishing a final draft, we're here to help. Consultations are focused around collaboration, so we'll work together to improve your writing not only on this assignment, but on all future assignments. Some things to remember though, we are happy to provide guidance with grammar and answer your questions, but we will not do a complete copy edit of your paper. We can help you with citations, but generally we'll refer you to the Purdue OWL to answer your questions.
So if you'd like to work at the Writing Center, then you can contact our director, Diana Baldwin, at this email.
And we hope to see you soon. You can use the QR code to the left to schedule an appointment at longwood.mywconline.com today. Thanks.